The LG V20 is here, and today I made a video about the Cricket influence for Cricket Wireless. So this is a new phone for Cricket Wireless. I'm not sure who makes this one, but it's one of those exclusive phones for Cricket Wireless. So this is very interesting. So the Cricket influence is now available for $189.99. So this is a budget phone, so let's keep it in mind, alright? So that's the phone there. You guys will have a teardrop notch with front facing camera. Power and RAM keys will be on the right side of the phone now. And it looks like it has like stock Android on there, so yeah. This one of the phone, the left side of the phone has some mark plastic card slide. And then on the back of the Cricket influence is a dual camera system, dual LED flash, fingerprint sensor, and your Cricket logo. And it's available in steel gray there, so put a nice color. So it says awaken your Cricket TV with the eye-catching feature-rich Cricket instruments. Be mesmerized by the impressive 6.2-inch HD Plus notch display that gives you spectacular detail and amazing clarity. Capture your most cherished moments with the dual 13-megapixel and 5-megapixel rear cameras, and take perfect selfies on the 5-megapixel front camera. Keep your productivity high with the octa-core processor, the latest Android 10 operating system, and a 3300 mAh battery. Put your mind at ease knowing your Cricket influence is backed by the Cricket 2-year worry-free warranty. That's pretty nice. So these Cricket exclusive phones have a 2-year warranty, so it's really nice to have. It says the quick strikes next one, 6.2-inch HD Plus nice display with Google Glass 3 octa-core processor and 4G LTE, no 5G. Dual rear cameras in the back at 13 and 5 megapixels with fast motion 5 megapixel front facing camera. Up to 32 gigabytes of user storage expandable up to an additional 128 gigabytes via microSD. Fingerprint sensor for added security and convenience. Android 10 backed by the Cricket worry-free warranty. 2 years all smiles, and that's a win. See it all day. Large 6.2-inch HD Plus nice display with 19:9 aspect ratio allows space to navigate, view, and play. Fulfilled with 45 with Gorilla Glass 3, which offers superior scratch and damage resistance. Majestic photography. Influence will ignite your creative side with the 13-megapixel and 5-megapixel dual rear cameras and 5-megapixel front facing camera. Take premium quality photos and selfies with portrait mode that enhances the subject, adding depth and sharpness to photos. The low light night mode uses automatic AI features that turns on when low light is detected, sharpening pictures, improving color, and preserving detail. Capture special moments with 1080p video recording and activate fast motion to create a video recording at 2 times or 4 times the speed, or switch to time lapse to create a video from still images. So that's nice. Designed to inspire. Cricket influence has a Unibyte Design that provides a premium look and thinner design, making it easy to hold and use. Quickly and securely unlock influence with the convenient rear fingerprint sensor. Finished in a unique steel gray color with a subtle vertical gradient effect So Crooked Influence is designed to inspire. Specs on the phone are not terrible. Like I said, this is a budget smartphone, so they keep it on. You do get to pay for it here, so they keep it in mind, right? So the Crooked Influence is Android 10. The dimensions are 6.2 inches in height, 2.99 inches in width, and 0.35 inches depth. Screen size 6.2 inches, HD plus 19 by 9. Screen ratio 32 GB of internal storage, outside 2 GB of RAM, 3 GB of RAM. Micro SD card slot up to 128 GB. 4G LTE, J5G, Wi-Fi 82.11, BGN, Bluetooth 5.0, and USB Type-C. You get rear cameras in the back at 13 megapixels and 5 megapixels with dual LED flash and 4K video. You get a 5 megapixel front-facing camera with HD video, so you keep it in mind. So the front camera records in 720p, the rear camera can record in 1080p. Processor is a octa-core processor. 3300 mAh battery is not removable. Here's a hearing aid compatibility is there. If you got some accessories to this phone, they do have a couple of cases here and all that, so they got a couple of cases here for the phone, which, if you guys want a case for something, this might be the best way to get it from Cricket themselves, because I doubt Amazon will have it, but you never know. So, yeah, there you guys have it. The Cricket Influence is now available at Cricket Wireless for $49.99. So this is a budget phone. So this will be a. I don't know if you guys want to check this phone out, go ahead and check it out. I don't know who makes this phone for Cricket. I don't know who makes this phone, but they label it as a Cricket Influence. So I don't know. So phone looks alright. I guess it's not like great or anything, but it's not terrible either. It looks alright. It looks modern and all that, so that's nice. Has decent specs on it, but like I said, this is a budget smartphone, so you did get what you pay for there. So if you guys are looking to get a backup phone or a first one for a kid or whatever, just keep it a phone to get. It is a pretty decent spec, like I said. And yeah, I doubt it gets Android 11. I doubt it, but you never know. I doubt this thing will get any updates, like any iOS updates. I doubt it, but like I said, you never know. So yeah, do you guys have it though? Cricket Influence now for that Cricket Wireless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.